Hello everyone. Today I discuss exercise 5.2 question number 2. In the adjoining figure, identify the pairs of corresponding angles. Number 2, pairs of alternate interior angles. Number 3, pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal and vertically opposite angles. Let us find. You have to remember all this. Number 1, question number 1 is, first of all, you find the corresponding angles. Here you see that one angle 1 is and angle 5 are corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 5. That is angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 5. Right? Angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 2 and angle 6. And angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 7. Angle 4 and angle 7. Angle 7. Angle 3 and angle 8. Angle 3 and angle 8 and angle 8 are all corresponding angles. Are corresponding angles. Are corresponding angles. Angles, right? Now question number 2. The pairs of alternate interior angles, right? Now question number 2 is alternate interior. That angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 6 and angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 5. Angle 3 and angle 5 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles. Are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is the pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. That is angle 4 and angle 5. Angle 4 and angle 4 and angle 5. Angle 3 and angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 3 and angle 6 are interior angles. Are interior angles. Are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. On the same side. On the same side of the transversal. Side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. Question number 4. The vertically opposite angles. The vertically opposite angles. Here you see angle 1 and angle 3, angle 2 and angle 4. Angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 2 and angle 4. Angle 2 and angle 4. And angle 4. Angle 5 and angle 8. Angle 5 and angle 8. Angle 8. Angle 6 and angle 7. Angle 6 and angle 7. Angle 6 and angle 7. Angle 6 and angle 7 are vertically opposite angles. Are vertically opposite angles are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.